If you want to save yourself the headache, the grossness, and the expense of having to snake your drains, having to hire a plumber, etc., I've got you. We have been using this stuff for years, and very recently we started partnering with them because that is how much I love them. And the name is Tub Shroom / Sink Shroom. And I'm gonna go over some of my favorite products of theirs that we are using in our house and we love. And I know you will too. So you're gonna be adding them to cart, links below in video description. You're gonna love these. So let's go. This first one I'm gonna show you is Tub Shroom. This is their stainless steel, kind of the OG. And we also got this matte black one, but currently we are using this stainless steel one. So basically when you're in the shower, you don't see the mess that is below. So you don't see the hair and all the gunk down there. So that is one thing I love about them. The other thing is you just pull it out and there is all the hair and gunk that is trapped in there. You just pull it out, use your hands, use a glove, use a toilet paper, whatever you want. Like super easy to clean out. There you go. Ready to put back in. I'll just show them side by side. This is the matte black. They both have the metal on the inside. I love that. That is how lovely it's gonna look when you're looking down on it while you're showering. All the hair and gunk gets trapped down here in the metal. And then this rubber bit down here is what keeps it basically universal fit. It's just snug like this in the drain. Nothing gets past it and they're just so easy to clean out. I love these. Once you clean it out, you just pop it back in there. The Tub Shroom itself is for draining. You need something else when you're going to fill up the bathtub. Some of them do come with this stopper, which is amazing. You just pull this out. It went in almost on its own. And then you just put that in there when you're gonna take a bath, and then you pull it out and put your Tub Shroom back in when you're gonna drain the bath. Then moving over here to the sink, here you can see we've got the matte black Sink Shroom in here. It is like exactly the same thing as the Tub Shroom, just smaller size to fit your sink. And you do need to take out your regular drain pull thingy, which you have to like unplug from underneath your sink, but it's a quick Google and you figure out how to do it. It's really easy, actually. I did it myself. Again, all the hair gets stopped in here. Like we were using Tub Shroom for a long time and not having any clogs, but we were still having a lot of clogs in the sink. So I found that they had a sink version and this has saved us. I swapped that out when we renovated our bathroom a few months ago and oh my gosh, so nice to never have a clogged sink again. And then most recently, they sent us this. This is their kitchen sink shroom, which is the best kitchen sink drain I have ever had, okay? First of all, it looks nice. This is part of the kitchen sink shroom. It totally matches a stainless steel sink, but it is two parts here, y'all. This is the inner basket, which traps everything. You just take this out to dump it when it gets filled, after every meal prep, basically. Flip it over, give it a shake. Good as new. Then you can plop it back in. This is draining, and then push here to fill up your sink. How easy. Push it again to drain. Gosh, I love this so much. Like nothing gets past here. Nothing. So you could take out that inner basket and look at how it's got that bit on the bottom so nothing goes through down there. And then this is the second part here that comes out. It's just so gorgeous how it matches your sink. Just amazing. So yeah, guys, 3 things to add to cart today to make your life so much easier. Tub Shroom, Sink Shroom, Kitchen Sink Shroom. Links in video description. You're gonna love them, honestly. You're welcome.